off about the eat.
What's Gordon doing? What just happened? Did that truck push somebody off the cliff again?
No!
That truck is bad news.
No!
Super W1, Thomas and Friends 0.
Oh.
No, not me!
Oh, now you knocked Kabootin off.
What?
It's okay. The truck will take care of Kabootin.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Somebody rescue Kabootin. Rescue him. Rescue him. He's about to get dumped off the cliff. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
What? No.
Hey, dinosaur, want to ride?
I don't want to ride.
Sure.
No, not the dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
You say no when I think you actually mean yes.
Roar.
I can't see.
Roar. Wait. Hey. Oh, you're getting awfully close to that edge there. Hey, wait. I'm slipping. I can't keep my grip. Oh!
What do you think of that, honey? What do you think of that result?
Hey, truck, stop!
Hey, what do you think of that result?
Hey, truck, stop!
What?
You have to stop dumping people.
But I'm a dump truck.
You don't do it, then walk. That's what the TV said when I watched it.
Oh, got any rocks?
No.
Got any dirt?
No.
Oh, but you got a race car.
Not again.
Hey, this is great. I can see up here. Hey, oh, yeah, I can see. Oh, hey, what are the
I can see my house from here.
I can see my, wait.
I can see.
Please.
Well, hey, how'd you guys get back up here? Want another ride? Hey, Thomas, want a lift?
Hey, you want to fight?
Oh, hey.
You just put Thomas in.
Hey, let's go for a ride, Thomas. Hey, let's look over here. It's a scenic outlook.
It's
Hey, look.
scenic, all
Oh, wait,
right.
you see here, let me help. Oh, oh, hey, Eddie. Want to go out sometime? You know, like, oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Sure, let's go. Let me take you to my favorite spot. Hey,
Look out. It's a lookout.
So look out!
Look out!
Hey, Clarabelle. Oh, you miss Annie here. I'll take you to Annie. I'm looking over my four-leaf clover. Oh, Percy, want some ice cream?
No, I just want to ride.
Oh, you want to ride, huh? Well, you know what? My brakes are really good. Oh, I'm running out of train cars. Oh, hey, rocket race car. Let's go for a ride.
That's not the race car.
Like my rocket is.
Whoa. Wait, what just happened? Did the truck fall off the cliff?
I don't know what you're talking about. I meant to do that.
Dump truck.
What?
Silly dump truck.
Very dump truck.
Oh, hey, Thomas, I hope there's no hard feelings.
Well, I was just yapping.
Oh, you enjoyed that?
I did.
Would you like to do it again?
Yeah.
So, you know, sometimes I feel sad. Sometimes I feel like I'm down in the dumps. You know what I mean? Oh, hey, Toby. Oh, you missed your friend Thomas here. I'll take you to... Oh, no need to be sad. Let me give you a lift. Oh, your caboose fell over. Oh.
How sad.
Oh, here. Let me get my friend Loader. He'll help. And exposed for the extreme cam.
Whoa. Extreme trucks.
I can't take any more of that.
Hey, what you guys up there? Up what? No, not me.
Did you just go right off the
I
edge
was
of
just
the
going to
cliff?
offer him a piece of gum.
Did you enjoy that?
I did. I think I was